Hello students, welcome to Ashish Polala classes. Today in the present lecture of Indian Constitution, I am going to discuss with you what is the constitutional law and what is the difference between the constitutional law and other laws. As far as constitutional law is concerned, constitutional law is the basic law of a country which is related with the government of a country. That means to say that law which tells us how to form a government, what will be the various organs of the government, what will be various functions of organs of the government. These all things are answered by the constitutional law of a country. Constitutional law is defined as those rules which regulate the structure of the organs of the government of a state, that how the legislature will be made out, how the executive will be made out, how the judiciary will be made out, the rules which regulate the structure of various organs of the government of a state is called constitutional law. These rules also include the relationship of various organs with each other. And these rules also contain the principal functions which various organs of the government of a state are going to perform. For example, legislature will make the law, executive will implement the law, whereas judiciary will interpret the law which are made by the legislature. So I want to repeat that what is the meaning of constitutional law. Constitutional law can be defined as the rules which regulate the structure of the organs of a government of a state and their relationship with each other and determine their principal functions is called constitutional law. Now the second question arises, what type of rules can be contained in the constitutional law of a country or state? The rules which are contained in the constitutional law of a country can be legal rules as well as non-legal rules. As far as legal rules are concerned, legal rules are those rules of a constitution which can be enforceable by the courts. That means to say, if there will be the violation of the legal rules of the constitution, then the courts will enforce those rules and protect a person. Let us take an example. Fundamental rights, which are given in part number 3rd of the Indian Constitution, are enforceable by the courts because if there will be violation of the fundamental rights of an individual, he can go to the court and court will protect his fundamental right. Hence, these fundamental rights can be said to be the legal rules of the Indian Constitution. Whereas non-legal rules are those rules of the Constitution which are not so enforceable by the courts. Although these non-legal rules are accepted as binding by all who are concerned in government. Let us take the example of non-legal rules in Indian Constitution. In Indian Constitution, directive principles of state policy, which are given in part number 4 of the Indian Constitution, are deemed as to be essential rules, but these rules are not enforceable by the courts. So these are the non-legal rules. Directive principles of state policy are given in the Constitution for guiding the state for the good governance of the country. While making the laws, the legislature should bear in mind the directive principles which are given in part number 4. But when the legislature will make the law, and if the legislature will not implement any directive principles of state policy, even then those laws cannot be declared as void on the ground that these rules are against the directive principles of the state policy. So, what is the basic difference between constitutional law and other laws? Constitutional law, as already we had studied, is the fundamental or basic law of a state. The validity of the constitutional law cannot be challenged before the courts. What is the basic reason? Because the courts are themselves created from the constitutional law. That means to say, no original provision of the constitution can be challenged before the courts, nor the courts can strike them on any ground. So the question arises, if we want to change any original provision of the constitution, then how to change this original provision of the constitution? It can be done by the parliament by exercising the power which is given in article number 368 of the Constitution of India. In the previous lecture, we had discussed that article 368 of the Indian Constitution gives the power to the parliament for amendment in the constitution. That means to say, if any original provision of the constitution is required to be amended, then it can be done by the parliament, but that also must be within the scope of article 368 of the Indian constitution. On the other hand, all other laws apart from the constitutional law must be within the constitutional law of the country. Let us take the example in India. Constitution of India is the constitutional law of India, whereas Indian Contract Act 1872, Indian Penal Code 1860, Indian Partnership Act 1932, Income Tax Act 1961, these are some examples of other statutory laws. What will happen if there will be any conflict between the provisions of constitutional law and other statutory laws? Then the answer is that in case there is any conflict between the provisions of the constitutional law and other statutory law, then the provisions of the constitutional law will prevail over the provisions of other law. Here it is also very important to note here that only the legal rules which are given in the constitutional law will prevail over the provisions of other laws and not the non-legal rules. In Anup Bhyan versus State of Assam, AIR 2011 Supreme Court 957, it was held by the Supreme Court of India that constitution is the highest law of the land and no statute can violate it. That means to say, constitution of India is the fundamental, is the highest law of the India, and no statutory law can violate the provisions of constitution. The Supreme Court further says, if there is a statute which appears to us that it violates the constitution, then we can declare it as unconstitutional or we can read it down to make it constitutional. So this is something about the present lecture in which we had done what is the constitutional law, what are the legal and non-legal rules, and what is the difference between the constitutional law and other laws. If you are understanding what I am teaching to you, then please subscribe my channel. And for notes, you can go to lawarticles2020.blogspot.com. Thank you very much.